guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are at home and having fun. So again, this is another fun video, and also this is another vlog. Once I posted my last vlog, I got so many tons of requests for vlog videos. Okay, so also this is my first ever food challenge video of this channel. I in the past did another challenge video, which was the Instagram follows my life for a day. I'll just provide the link down below in the description box if you haven't seen that. Okay, so yeah, this is my first food challenge, which is the colored food challenge. This is like very trending, and someone came up with the idea, and I actually see people doing this, but I never thought of doing this myself. But yeah, I got some requests and also many suggestions that I should do these videos. So okay, so yeah, you can see that I'm wearing all white today, so my color would be white. So another important thing, I cannot step out of the house right now, so I cannot get many fancy stuff. So जो भी घर पे है उसी से हम लोग मतलब मैं कुछ ना कुछ बना लूँगी. I do not know how I'm gonna do this because the evening tea is like very important for me. I only have milk tea once in a day, that is in the evening, and today I'm not gonna have that because I have to consume everything which is colored white. Okay, so I not have too many meals, not like 5-6 meals which I usually have. I'll have max to max 4 meals. So breakfast, lunch, snacking, and then dinner. So I'll take you through all of the things and how I do that, make it, and also my eating process. So without any further ado, let's just start. Also, natural light is the best light, guys. I'm just standing right opposite to my window and I can get the light. It's not even sunlight, proper sunlight. It's just the normal daylight. And right now I'm having only moisturizer on my skin and Baby Lips. Baby Lips is a lip balm which is colored. So that's why you will feel that I'm having something tinted on my lips, which is pink in color. So that is Baby Lip. So my first meal is breakfast. So I'm gonna make breakfast and I'm not gonna experiment much. My favorite breakfast is like banana oat smoothie, and that is white in color. So I'm gonna make it very quick and then have it. Also, I'm not gonna garnish it the way I usually do because chia seed and all these are like black in color, and the seeds etc., they are like different colors. So I'm not gonna garnish it that much. I'm just gonna make the smoothie and maybe some muesli. That's it.
So for breakfast, I'm taking oats, one banana, and also for the smoothie, I'm gonna add some water to it as well. So here I am mixing all of the ingredients, the oats, banana with water to form a good consistency, and you can see it here. It's so creamy yet not very thick. I'm also using the Bragg muesli, which is no sugar added. It's for diet purpose. I am adding a hell lot of it because I really like the crunch. It's not proper white, but then I'll mix all of them so that it turns out white. Also adding some bananas because I love banana. So this is the final look, guys.
So I have my breakfast right here. It's pure white, creamy texture. Only thing is the bananas are so ripe. इतने पक चुके हैं कि थोड़े थोड़े इसमें येलोइश नेचर आ चुका है, लेकिन ऑन कैमरा ये ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. ऑफ कैमरा it's like still white. So I'm gonna have it. It's like nothing colored. It's proper white only. Also guys, as you know that I follow a proper diet, so it's like very difficult for me. I won't be able to have any of my diet food, but I'm trying my best to keep it healthy, but I know it won't be that possible. So I just chose a Sunday to film this video. So today is Sunday. It's basically my cheat day, so that's why I am filming this today, so I do not have any regrets later on. Even if it's cheat day, but this quarantine and this lockdown is making me eat something or the other unhealthy on a regular basis. So that's why it's like always there in the back of my mind that okay, in the entire day I'll be having all this. So that's why I am trying to keep it a bit healthy so that you guys also get an idea. It's good that I cannot step out of my house. If I would have stepped out, then I would have brought many white flavored and healthy stuff. But then as I'm at home, I'll be trying to make everything healthy, maybe less oily. So I hope it helps you in some way or the other if you are having white food, or if you are having home food also, if you're not dieting also, but then you can use less oil and you can get an idea of how you can maintain your weight. So guys, I don't want any one of you to complain about the color, so I have just mixed everything, so now it's like proper white.
A, B, C, D. Wait until you see her, you'll agree.
Alright guys, oh my god, just look at that light. मतलब नेचुरल लाइट है ना, वो बेस्ट होता है. जो भी रिंग लाइट, जितना भी एलईडी वगैरह कर लो. Anyway, so guys, my breakfast is done. Also, it's thundering outside, like little amount. It's also raining. It's such a nice weather today. Okay, so my breakfast is done. So after some time, I'll go and cook my lunch. For lunch, I'll be having roti with paneer. Roti जो कि white in color होगा, and paneer तो वैसे भी white होता है, लेकिन पकाने के बाद इसको हम लोग different colors दे सकते हैं. But my paneer would be white in color, and also I'll be having paneer. Not everybody in my house will be having paneer, so उनके लिए अलग से cook हो रहा है. So yeah, after some time, I'll just prepare my lunch and I'll take you through the process as well. सी ये जो पानी पानी हो रखा है ये लीव, इट्स बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग सो हैविली. नाउ इट हैज़ जस्ट स्टॉप. सो इज़ द व्यू लाइक राइट नेक्स्ट टू माई विंडो खोल के ही ये मुझे व्यू दिखता है. और ये जो लीफ है ये बेचारा इधर नहीं था, ये थोड़ा साइड में था. इतना बारिश हुआ yesterday, दैट्स वाई इट माइट हैव ऊपर से नीचे तक ये आ गया. हाँ, ये बेचारा बहुत ऊपर था, ये नीचे आ गया. ये देखो यहाँ पे भी टूटे फूटे पत्ते नहीं है, ब्रांचेस है. So here you can see my mother. So me and my mother together, we are preparing the lunch. She is doing the rotis, but मैं अपना खुद ही बना लूँगी because I'm quite enjoying this, guys, cooking together, preparing food for myself. So this is me. I'm making my roti. You can make it out with my nails. I have got quite good long nails, but yeah, these are artificial, of course. मैं काफ़ी अच्छी गोल गोल रोटी बना लेती हूँ, आप देख सकते हो.
F, G. Wait until you see her, you'll agree.
So now I'm making the paneer. For that I am first making the gravy. Here I have used green chilies, potato, bay leaf and also ginger garlic paste. So for paneer I'm using the Amul paneer, which is a very good source of protein. Paneer itself is a very good source of protein. So I haven't fried the paneer अलग से, direct मैं डाल रही हूँ because I did not want it to turn yellowish. I wanted them to be white in color. So आप देख सकते हो ये अभी तक white है. Actually वाइट पनीर बनाने के लिए आपको काजू लगता है, लेकिन वो मेरे पास अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो आई एम यूजिंग योगर्ट, एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ योगर्ट. So this is how my paneer looks like. Trust me guys, in real the paneer were white, but the gravy is obviously yellow because masale डाले हुए हैं. So guys, I tried my level best to make the paneer pure white, but I was not successful in doing that because घर पे काजू नहीं था, and that is a very important ingredient behind the whitening of paneer. And और कुछ ingredients है जो कि mix करने के बाद जो gravy आता है that turns white, but नहीं होने के कारण मैं वो नहीं कर पाई हूँ. I hope you guys understand. But then the paneer which is like usually white in color, so मैं क्या करूँगी, ये जो ग्रेवी है, ग्रेवी वाला पार्ट मैं वो नहीं खाऊँगी अभी. कैमरा में I don't know it's capturing or not because of the gravy, but then in general this paneer is white actually. So I'm only gonna have the paneer and then the roti. I'm not gonna have the gravy.
You'll agree. free. Don't wanna boast, but I got a gal. Wait till you see her. ABCD me.
So guys, here you can see the gravy is all there. I only had the paneer and not the gravy.
Hi guys, so now it's around 5:15 in the evening and I am so much craving for chai, guys. If you know me and even if you're following me on Instagram, then you know that I'm a die-hearted fan of chai. But today, as it's the white food challenge, so I'm not gonna have it because the milk tea is usually orangish brown in color. So I have it only once in the day in the evening. It's my routine. I cannot like survive without it. It's kind of an addiction. I know it's very bad, but then I'm not gonna have it today. But I need to prepare something for my evening snack or my evening meal, वो छोटा वाला meal जो होता है. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a rice kheer, which is जो चावल का जो हलवा होता है वही. So that will take some time to prepare, so I'll just start preparing it now and then I'll cook it and then I'll have it around 7:30. Oh, light चलाया. Actually, it's been raining since past 2 days and you know electricity का कुछ गड़बड़ है, आती है जाती है, कुछ भी कर रही है यार. Okay, anyways, now I'll just go prepare it and then cook it and have it around 7:30 and then maybe after an hour or two I'll prepare my dinner. So yeah, come.
So to make rice kheer, you will need milk. You can use any milk. Here I am using the Amul Taza toned milk. आप क्वांटिटी अपने हिसाब से लेना, कितने जन के लिए बना रहे हो. So first step would be boiling the milk. So here you can see me doing that. And then I added 1 bay leaf to it. And then the most important ingredient, which is rice. अच्छे से चावल को धो के मैं धीरे धीरे इसको ऐड कर रही हूँ. And then I'll let the rice boil. But then I'm also adding few more ingredients, such as the nuts. काजू ऐड किया हुआ है. काजू आई borrowed from neighbor. इलायची भी ऐड किया हुआ है. And raisins also I added. So I'm letting it boil. So ये लगभग पक चुका है. I'll let it get more creamy.
Hi guys, a good evening. I mean, it's good evening for me. It's evening time. It's 6:30 if I'm not wrong. Let me just give it a check. Okay, so it's 6:38. It's almost 6:40. So जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, I'll have my evening meal or the snack, whatever it is, at around 7 to 7:30. But usually क्या होता है ना, मैं जो चाय है ना वो 6:30 तक ले लेती हूँ. So I'm seeing my parents having their cup of tea and I'm like, I want it. But as the challenge suggests, I cannot have that. I need to have everything which is white in color. So I was supposed to have my meal around 7:30, but now I'm just craving for something to eat. So I need to eat something. So I thought like, okay, थोड़ा पहले ही खा लेती हूँ, फिर dinner भी जल्दी बना लूँगी, फिर वो भी खा लूँगी. So yeah, so my rice kheer is ready. And also I just I know you can guess it, like I'm sitting right in front of my ring light right now. I haven't sat in front of my tripod and the ring light for a while now, so I just thought like, okay, सब setup करके बैठ जाती हूँ, कुछ बातें भी कर लेंगे. So yeah, this is my rice kheer. This is the halwa जो है मीठा है बहुत. I am a sweet tooth. ओके, सो नाउ मैंने इसको बहुत ट्राई करा है कि मैं हेल्दी बनाऊँ. मैंने आपको दिखाया भी, मैंने टोन्ड मिल्क यूज़ किया है, मैंने शुगर फ्री जो पाउडर्ड है वो यूज़ किया है. आप स्टीविया यूज़ कर सकते हो, आप शुगर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो इफ़ यू वांट टू, इफ़ यू आर नॉट गोइंग थ्रू सम डाइट एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट सॉर्ट. सो इट्स इतना तो ज़्यादा हेल्दी ये नहीं हो सकता, बन सकता, बट जितना हो सके मैंने इसको बनाया है. इट स्मेल्स हेवनली गाइज. सबके लिए नहीं हो सकता है, किसी को डेयरी के जो स्मेल है, मिल्क का जो स्मेल है, उससे एलर्जी होता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है। मुझे तो बढ़िया लगता है, खा नहीं सकती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम एलर्जिक टू डेयरी, बिकॉज मुझे पिंपल्स आ जाते हैं। नाउ माई फेस इज ऑल क्लियर एंड इवन आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग एनी मेकअप। बेबी लिप्स फिर से लगाया हुआ है, मॉइस्चराइज किया हुआ है, बस दैट्स इट। यू कैन इवन चेक गाइस, नो मेकअप, नो मेकअप एट ऑल। ओके चलो इसको खाते हैं। मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं ऐसा भी कोई वीडियो बनाऊंगी, लेकिन फूड चैलेंजेस दीज आर लाइक वेरी ट्रेंडिंग दिस डेज। मुझे किसी ने बताया है कि दीदी आप ज़्यादा मेकअप एंड व्लॉग्स बनाइए, व्लॉग देखने में आप लोगों को पसंद है ज़्यादा। सो आई थॉट लाइक ओके फाइन। I mean, I'm not a pro in this field. Like, vlogging is seriously tough. Hats off to the people who are like full-time vloggers. Vloggers as in, showing you each and every detail, going here, going there. That is vlogging. So, I'm trying my level best to show every single thing, and I'm being very transparent with you guys. Yummy. It's yummy. मैं सोच रही थी टोन्ड मिल्क से, शुगर फ्री से इतना अच्छा बना है। अगर ये सही तरीके से बनाया जाए ना, थोड़ा सा घी डाल के, थोड़ा सा शुगर डाल के, ये तो पता नहीं कैसा बन जाएगा यार, बहुत ही मस्त बनेगा।
Wait until you see her, you'll agree.
So guys, it's now time to prepare my dinner. So right now it's I think 8:30. So I won't have my dinner right now. I'll have it after an hour or two maybe. I don't know, but I'll just start preparing it now because it will take some time to cook. Obviously, I'll make pasta today, and which is the white sauce pasta, obviously. So I'll have to cook the pasta sauce alag se, and then the pasta I need to boil alag se, and then I have to sort it together. So it'll take some time. Also, I haven't like consumed anything since like 2 hours. I had my rice kheer around 6:30. Now it's 8:30 या 2 hours. So it's like a filling dish, you know. इसमें राइस था खीर में, so मैंने एक कटोरी खा लिया, बस उतना ही काफ़ी है मेरे लिए। इतना मीठा नहीं खा सकती, दो इसमें ये वो था, शुगर फ्री था, स्टिल इससे ज़्यादा नहीं खाना चाहिए। So yeah, let's go and make the pasta.
So for boiling the pasta, you will need pasta, oil. Here I am using avocado oil and salt. So मैंने पानी को थोड़ा सा उबाल लिया है, उसमें मैं पास्ता डाल रही हूँ. And to that I have added 1 teaspoon of the avocado oil, a pinch of salt according to your taste, and I'll let that boil. सो उसके साथ ही मैं अपना एक पैन गरम कर रही हूँ। यहाँ मैं अपना जो वाइट सॉस है दैट आई एम गोना प्रिपेयर। सो आई हैव एडेड 1 tablespoon of butter and I'm spreading it all over the pan, and to that I'm adding 3 tablespoon of मैदा। उसके साथ मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ अगेन दैट टोन्ड मिल्क, दी अमूल ताज़ा टोन्ड मिल्क, एंड गिव इट अ गुड सॉट until it's creamy and has a good consistency. उसके साथ once it's like all creamy, I'm adding black pepper. I'm using the Catch black pepper, some chili flakes and also oregano. आप देख सकते हो it's so creamy. So here my pasta is boiled, so मैं इसको पानी से अलग कर दूँगी. Once I'm done doing that, I'll add the pasta to the white sauce and give it a good salt again and mix all the things together. So here I'm again using chili flakes because I really like it spicy. So here is the end result guys. So my white sauce pasta is ready to eat.
This is my dinner right here. It's the white sauce pasta and it's very 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 soft. Okay, now to make white sauce pasta you actually need cheese, but to make it a bit healthier I did not use cheese. Instead I used toned milk. Obviously the taste won't be the same, but trust me it's delicious. घर पे अगर आप पास्ता बनाना चाहते हो, अगर आपके पास चीज़ है, so obviously you use that if you want to, but if you want to keep it a bit healthier then you definitely need to use toned milk instead of cheese.
and also you can use the normal milk, the dairy milk, जो डेयरी का होता है वो यूज़ कर सकते हो. But जो rest of the milks होते हैं, almond milk, oat milk, that won't give you a really nice taste, I guess. So instead you can use the normal cow milk.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. For me. Wait until you see her, you'll agree.
So guys, I'm done with my dinner. It was so yummy, and to be very honest guys, I never thought that I'll be able to complete this challenge because finding food of some specific color for the entire day is a really hard job guys. And also in this lockdown, I have seen so many videos of these food challenges. People are like stepping out of their home, going to the grocery store, searching for some food which is of some specific color. They had a really tough time doing that. And also in this lockdown, I'm quite proud of myself. I did a really great job. With that being said, I really enjoyed this challenge and I'll be coming up with more such challenges in near future. And also if you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.